At the edge of one of Rochester's most historic neighborhoods lies a tree-lined residence with manicured gardens. It is a quiet retreat from the world around. It is here you will find Rochester Presbyterian Home, an Eden alternative community dedicated to giving elders a fulfilling way of life in a home that is truly home. It is an assisted living community with 3 levels of care serving elders needing supportive services as well as persons with early to moderate dementia. Short-term respite care is also provided. At Rochester Presbyterian Home, we have earned a reputation for excellence in elder care. We do more than meet just basic care needs. We nurture the human spirit. Our elders are the respected members of our family and are accepted and loved as they truly are, because we know that love matters.